So you've had a new boiler installed by City Warmth and you now have no heating and hot water. Having had a look at the front of the boiler, you notice that the pressure is low. In this video, we will talk you through how to repressurise your boiler. 95% of the combi boilers installed by City Warmth come with an external filling loop that looks similar to this. Trace the pipework down underneath the boiler until you find the silver braided hose with a black plastic lever tap at either end of the hose. Once you have located the hose, turn the two black plastic levers in line with the pipework, one followed by the other. Once you've done this, watch the pressure gauge as the needle climbs from the 0 up into the 1. Once it has got to the 1, close the two black plastic taps by turning them in the reverse direction to how you open them. This will stop further water coming into the heating system, meaning you are then good to go with heating and hot water as you'd like it. For more homeowner plumbing and heating tips and energy saving advice, like this video, subscribe and follow us at City Warmth.